Welcome to Ronnie's Mind Palace, where we embark on a mesmerizing journey into the captivating realm of avian fishing techniques. In this exploration, we delve deep into the strategies and skills employed by nature's finest fishermen, the black heron, green heron, blue heron, kingfishers, bald-headed eagle, little egret, and osprey. Don't miss out on our upcoming videos that showcase the wonders of our planet and its magnificent inhabitants. Hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated on our latest adventures. Welcome aboard and let the adventure begin. The black heron, also known as the black egret, employs a unique and fascinating fishing technique known as canopy feeding or umbrella fishing. This method involves the bird using its wings to create shade or a canopy over the water, which effectively reduces glare and makes it easier to see fish swimming beneath the surface. Once the black heron has found a suitable spot, it spreads its wings and hunches its body forward, creating a dark shadow on the water below. This shadow attracts fish by providing them with the perception of shelter or cover as the fish gather beneath the shadow. The black heron slowly and methodically stalks its prey, maintaining a vigilant watch for any movement. When the moment is right, the black heron strikes with lightning speed, using its sharp beak to snatch fish from the water. This fishing technique is a remarkable example of adaptation and ingenuity in the animal kingdom, allowing the black heron to thrive in its aquatic environment. The green heron, a masterful hunter found in various wetland habitats across North and Central America, displays remarkable ingenuity in its fishing methods. In certain urban or semi-urban environments, where humans frequently feed ducks or fish in ponds and lakes, the green heron has been observed employing bread as bait to catch fish. With keen observation and strategic placement, the heron strategically positions small pieces of bread on the water's surface, enticing fish to approach, patiently waiting nearby. The heron relies on its acute eyesight to detect even the slightest movements beneath the water, poised for a swift strike when a fish ventures close enough to the bait. This behavior underscores the green heron's adaptability and resourcefulness in utilizing human-provided food sources to its advantage. By incorporating bread into its fishing repertoire, the heron demonstrates its ability to adapt its hunting strategies to changing environments. This remarkable display of innovation showcases the green heron's intelligence and flexibility in navigating and thriving within human-altered landscapes, where opportunities for survival often require creative solutions. The blue heron, also known as the great blue heron, is a majestic wading bird found across much of North and Central America, as well as parts of the Caribbean. Renowned for its striking appearance and graceful demeanor, the blue heron is characterized by its long, slender neck, dagger-like bill, and distinctive blue-gray plumage with black and white accents. Standing up to 4 feet tall with a wingspan that can reach over 6 feet, the blue heron cuts an impressive figure as it stalks the shallows of wetlands, marshes, and shorelines in search of prey. Equipped with sharp eyesight and keen hunting instincts, the blue heron is an expert fisherman, but its diet also includes a variety of aquatic creatures such as frogs, insects, small mammals, and even other birds. with deliberate and patient movements. The heron wades through shallow waters, employing stealth and precision to catch its prey. When it spots a potential meal, the heron strikes with lightning speed, using its formidable bill to grasp and dispatch its quarry beyond its hunting prowess. The blue heron is also celebrated for its role as a symbol of grace and tranquility in nature. Its elegant silhouette and serene presence make it a beloved sight for bird watchers and nature enthusiasts alike. As a keystone species in many wetland ecosystems, the blue heron also plays a crucial role in maintaining ecological balance and biodiversity. Its conservation remains a priority to ensure the health and vitality of the habitats it calls home. Kingfishers are colorful birds, known for their exceptional fishing skills, with vibrant plumage and sharp, pointed bills. They dive from perches or hover above water to catch fish. With remarkable precision, their keen eyesight allows them to spot prey underwater, making them efficient hunters in various habitats worldwide. Beyond their fishing prowess, kingfishers serve as indicators of environmental health, thriving in clean water bodies with abundant fish populations. Celebrated for their beauty and agility, kingfishers are beloved by bird watchers and valued for their vital ecological contributions. The bald eagle, symbolizing strength and freedom, is a majestic bird of prey native to North America, recognizable by its striking white head and tail contrasting with a dark brown body. The bald eagle boasts an impressive wingspan of up to 7 feet, with powerful talons and keen eyesight. It primarily hunts fish, but also preys on birds, mammals, and carrion, once endangered. Conservation efforts have helped its population recover, making the bald eagle a symbol of resilience and environmental conservation. Today, spotting a bald eagle soaring in the sky is a testament to the natural beauty and diversity of North America. The little egret, a graceful wading bird belonging to the heron family, is distinguished by its striking white plumage and slender black legs. Found in wetlands across Europe, Africa, Asia, and Australia, this bird embodies elegance as it forages along the water's edge for small fish, crustaceans, insects, and amphibians. During the breeding season, the little egret adorns itself with ornamental plumes, further enhancing its captivating appearance. With keen eyesight and agile movements, It employs a patient and stealthy hunting technique, standing motionless or moving slowly through the water before swiftly striking at its prey. With its sharp bill standing at around 55 to 65 inches, the little egret's wingspan showcases its impressive aerial agility, allowing it to navigate wetland habitats with ease beyond its hunting prowess. The little egret contributes to the ecological balance of its environment by controlling populations of small aquatic creatures and participating in nutrient cycling in wetland ecosystems. Its presence serves as a symbol of beauty and resilience in natural landscapes, captivating observers with its enchanting demeanor and graceful movements along the water's edge. The osprey, also known as the sea hawk or fish eagle, is a magnificent bird of prey found on every continent except Antarctica. Renowned for its remarkable fishing abilities, the osprey is uniquely adapted to its piscivorous lifestyle, with distinctive features that set it apart in the avian world. One of the most striking characteristics of the osprey is its keen eyesight, which enables it to spot fish from great heights while soaring over bodies of water. With a wingspan that can reach up to 6 feet, the osprey dives head first into the water with incredible precision, using its powerful talons to snatch fish near the surface. As apex predators in aquatic ecosystems, ospreys play a vital role in controlling fish populations and maintaining the health of their habitats. Their distinctive appearance, extraordinary fishing skills, and migratory feats make them a symbol of resilience and adaptability in the natural world, captivating the imagination of bird watchers and conservationists alike. As we conclude our exploration of avian fishing techniques, we extend our heartfelt gratitude for joining us on this incredible journey at Ronnie's Mind Palace. We hope you've been inspired and amazed by the wonders of nature showcased in our video. If you enjoyed learning about the remarkable skills of birds, like the black heron, green heron, blue heron, kingfishers, bald-headed eagle, little egret, and osprey, be sure to subscribe to Ronnie's Mind Palace for more captivating adventures and insights into the natural world. Join our growing community of nature enthusiasts, explorers, and curious minds as we continue to uncover the mysteries of our planet and its magnificent inhabitants. Your support fuels our passion for sharing the beauty and wonder of nature with the world. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos that promise to delight, inspire, and uplift. Hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest adventures. Thank you for being part of our journey at Ronnie's Mind Palace. Until next time, keep exploring, keep discovering, and keep marveling at the wonders of our incredible planet.